So guys, mommy is gonna put out the tteokbokki. Wow, sirs. Whoa, that looks very yummy, y'all. Especially with sauce. Oh look, it's bubbling. Now she's gonna put it. Ooh, it's still hard frozen, right, mommy? There. Looks delicious. Yum. And here is our noodles.
Salmon.
Yeah. This one. So we're not gonna take the salmon, guys, because that's so much. Because this is gonna make us full. So I'll do. Oh wait, mommy's putting a flavor, and then I'll just record again if the other one's cooking. So guys, mom's getting ready as the noodles. Yep. Can you have the bowl?
Yeah, going sa'yo.
Yes. Ooh, mine looks so yummy. So guys, I think the tteokbokki is absorbing it, and then this one's boiling, guys. I think it's already allowed to put some noodles. We just putting water.
Stir fry muna din.
Oopsie, never mind. Oh, she's putting my dad's first. So we will check.
Stir fry ka, no?
I think so. So this is stir fry. I think this is the spice sauce, guys. And then my mommy already put daddy's. Wow.
Balik mo na yan.
So guys, whoa, what's happening? It's going bonkers. Whoa. It's not yet absorbing. It's just so ASMR. So guys, my mom is gonna put some gochujang on the tteokbokki. And it's already, the noodles are already soft. And then she's gonna put here the gochujang. Let's go see. Ooh, my daddy's noodles, it's kinda looking yummy. Wow. So guys, this is the result of my daddy's noodles, but there's still no more sauce. We're gonna put it later. So just wait, guys. So guys, I'm gonna put the sauce in 3, 2, 1. Later. Hey, just checking. Ooh, guys, look. Wait, wow. Guys, look. Like, what? Look, oh. I didn't realize there's gonna be some of this. So I'm just gonna try to taste it. It's spicy, but yummy. It's crispy. Okay, it's kind of spicy. Okay, too spicy. I'm just gonna get some water because it's so spicy. Guys, it's now mixed and it smells so good. So guys, my daddy is cooking the one that's my mommy's. Ooh, guys. Ito lang yung sauce.
Apo.
So this is powder soup.
No, that's stir fry yan.
Yung powder soup. It's yummy. Ooh, it's now square. Masarap. Super.
Hindi naman, sakto lang. Kaya mo yan.
Sweet and spicy. Guys, this is sweet and spicy. And now, he's cooking my mom's. And the next, he's gonna cook mine last. So guys, the shawmy is already done. So, guys, I'm gonna get ready of the juice. This one. Saan yun sa'yo? Yung green ape. Isa yun na yung strawberry lemonade.
Coffee to eh. Okay lang.
Chita?
Oo.
Yung coffee? Meron pa ako isa dyang green ape. Should we just get there? Daddy, sa'yo daddy yung... Don't know. Mommy, what do you want? Yung flavor? Akin yung green ape.
Da.
So this is... Daddy, ito daddy yung sa'yo Sana, okay. This is gonna be a super fun night. Ooh, it's getting soft. I can't wait to taste mine. It's a bulldog. Woo! So guys, my daddy is putting the pow for him.
My fish cake, no?
Oh yeah, this
Next
is way
time.
better if it has fish cake, but it was too expensive. Like a little bit of fish cake was 110. So expensive. What's getting soft? No, next is my turn. Yay! So guys, this is my dad's. This is my mom's noodles. And then now my dad's cooking mine. Oh, this is so cute. And like what? Cheese? Quattro cheese. So guys, here's it now. Earlier I tried a very small strand of my dad's noodles and it was so spicy. Oh, looks yummy. I'm just waiting for my bulldog. What? Like, what is so yummy? Guys, oh, I can't believe it. So, oh, this is not stir fry.
It's not. It's not tasty.
Oh, it's still fry?
Stir fry ba to, me? No.
Ay, yung kay Anika, hindi ko nga alam eh.
I don't know, guys. So, guys, I realized this is stir fry.
No, it's not. It's
Ay.
ramen.
Oh, guys,
Yeah,
it's ramen. Whoa, it's ramen. So, may sabaw?
Mm-mm.
Ooh, guys, mine's so yummy. Okay, guys. I think this is gonna be very spicy.
No, it's not.
Ooh, so much cheese. Wow, I'm so hungry right now. Okay, guys, this one's done. Wow. Okay, so guys, mine is not yet done. Like so delicious. Guys, this smells so yummy. I can literally smell it from my living room. Wow. So my dad is getting ready of our kimchi. My mommy, my mommy's getting ready of the drinks. Guys, wow. So my mom is opening it. Guys, wow, this is my ramen. Okay, guys, my mom's now putting the drinks. Guys, I will just put a spoon on my ramen because there's so much sabaw. Okay, that's mine. And this is daddy's. Wait, this is mine na lang pala. Mas marami to. Hihihi.
Hindi, kasi mas malalim ito.
Dito lang sa akin. So guys, this is my mommy's. They have no more extra strawberry lemonade, but they already tasted it. And they want the green ape. Ooh, it looks so yummy. So guys, this is done, and then watch our mukbang. I'm not sure if it's the next video or this video.